We hit the bowl, come around, I'm right here and you're here. You got a long ways to go, brother. We got our safety nozzle cans here, but to put it in there makes more of a mess using it. So we screw this off, dump it in here, and then we dump it in and we spill a lot less gas. It's ridiculous that we pay, that we're supposed to have these, and they make more of a mess. Garbage. So we're gonna go on a dune ride. Me and Brent have been BSing. Brent thinks, just kind of like the sand cars, right? We've not been able to have sand cars just leave us at Glamis just because the dunes only allow so much speed. So I think I'm gonna be having some gapping going on now that I got my big boost versus Brent. Same car, they're both Walker Evans, 4 seats, but no boost here. So we're gonna go do some duning, see how that goes. But Brent doesn't think that there's gonna be any gapping. I guarantee it, and he knows it too, on the big hills, the big straightaways, obviously there's gonna be some gapping there, but not while we're bowling and duning. So that's kind of what we're gonna try to test to see if all this boost does anything or if it does nothing, because we've been able to run with sand cars with our side-by-sides without having a big turbo, because terrain only allows so much speed. You can only go as fast as the suspension will allow, car will allow, without bottoming out. I do think I'm gonna gap him. Now, am I gonna leave him and he'll never be able to see me? Probably not, but I do think we're gonna have a decent sized gap. Brent thinks there'll be 0 gap because he's usually right on my butt, because my other cars haven't had any big power to them. So we'll see if he can stay right on my butt. So here we go, let's check it out. We're gonna go rip with a few guys. Jared from Bikeman, Offroad Diaries, shout out to those guys. They have their own YouTube channel. But let's go do some riding. Even though I've spent an ungodly amount of money, if that's true or not, like really, I'm gonna think that I'm going 1,000,000 miles an hour because I have so much power. But sometimes a ton of power doesn't make you faster. And that's kind of Brent's theory, which there's a lot of validity to that. We're gonna see if Gapplebees happens. Is it worth to turbo your Pro R to go duning? Is it really gonna make you faster? So the only way we can really know is a comparison with another car. And Brent's rode with me a lot. He can stay with me in my other cars. So we'll see if Gapplebees happens.
So how is Gapplebees there?
Gapplebees happened.
No, no.
Dude, we hit the bowl, come around, I'm right here, and you're here. You got a long ways to go, brother. That's Gapplebees. No, but I will say.
Lying.
I will say.
He's lying. We got another camera. It shows. When I passed him,
You were doing 10. I bet. 10? Owen broke down. I like slowed down because I see Owen stopped, and then you're like, I'm gonna show you. And so you passed me, and I was like, oh, it's on.
For the record, it was just a belt.
It was just a belt.
Just a belt.
But no, it was good.
and it was a record time in changing it too, by the way. That was very
You're
quick.
welcome. I mean, it was hot as hell. Right?
Brent's calling it Gapplebees, so we're gonna go with Gapplebees.
Yeah. Pro R, Pro E5, Sand Tires Unlimited.
So we're in a disagreement here. He doesn't think Gapplebees.
Did we have dinner
happened.
at Gapplebees?
Yeah, I took you both to Gapplebees.
Can't even get any honesty.
No, honestly, you were slow as shit.
See, there you go. There's your answer.
You were gapped.
No, I mean, it was like a car.
There was
A car?
oh,
A car?
yeah.
Okay, a car.
Where?
A car.
When you hit the brake?
Huh?
When you hit the brake?
Yeah.
When you caught up? When you hit the brake light?
So Brent, after driving around, following me in your car and watching my car, what did you think? How it reacted? How it handled everything? Was it impressive?
Very impressive. It was quick. You could do things that you had the power to go ahead and turn around and come back and check on the group, and you catch up to the group. If you let the group catch up, you could get right back in front really quick. It has a lot of advantages in the duning over the others, because that's a real big advantage.
Yeah.
To be able to keep an eye on everybody. You could go up the hill faster. You're not getting stuck. You're not spinning out. It ran really well.
So one thing I didn't know is how few people understood that there is standalone setups out there that you can have a stage 1, a stage 2, a stage 3. That is one of the big perks I like about the Pro EFI setup. Is like, okay, well, we're just gonna go do a long ride. So I'm gonna put 91 pump in it, run it on stage 1, and go have a good time and get some good distance and go ride and still have plenty of power, more power than I've ever had. Or someone lines up on the side of me and we're gonna go up the big hill. Stage 3, see you later. Like, such a sweet setup where everything is just so easy to change from tune to tune, and all you gotta do is make sure you got the right fuel. Awesome. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't.